Okay, on the bench today, we have a PS5 controller board that somebody wanted the joysticks replaced. She tried to have a go at it. You can see that she got some burn going on here. She got a little unwieldy with the iron, as you can see. But I think we'll be okay here. Let me get a close-up shot of where she was having troubles. You can see she just wasn't able to get it to wet properly and remove. I can see some solder there. So yeah, she had a rough time. And it's not easy when you don't have the right. The hell is that? Oh, I believe that's the wick she was using. So yeah, let me get into this and start removing that. I know she hit a few spots here. Yeah, see. I hope that's okay. Yeah, that looks alright. Let me check this side here. Yeah, it looks alright. Okay, let me get some flux on this and start removing this stuff here. Okie dokie. So I got it out here, and let me tell you, it was a mess. I don't know what solder she was using to, help with the initial flow of it, but it was bad. I could also tell, and it's going to be tough, that she lost a cap. There is a cap there, right there. So I had two. There's one. That's one of the ones I used. I didn't like that one, so I just moved it. So I had to put one on. So let me clean this up here, and then I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to try to show you here. So there's that little cap. And I know that's really hard to see, but with continuity, we have continuity from... Sorry, which one is it again? Sorry. It's this one. So from this pad here to here, and then from ground to the opposite side of the cap. So with the new cap installed, I had to go a little sideways because that cap is a little bigger, believe it or not. Let me back up just a smidgen. Right. So from here, we should have continuity, and we do. And then from ground to the other side, and we do. So let me go ahead and install these joysticks, and hopefully she hasn't made too much of a mess of this, and she'll be good to go. Okay, so here's the ones that she provided. These right here, and they are, magneto-resistant joysticks here. And honestly, they don't feel too bad. They feel really, really good, actually. Like, really good. Yeah, that actually feels really good. Let me look at the other one here. I should probably put you in. I put you in there. Yeah, these... Oh, fuck, that's bent right out of the box. Can you even see that? Look at that. That one's bent right out of the box. The fuck? Let me straighten that out. Jeepers. Man, I swear, you can't get anything good today. Let me straighten that ground pin out. Oh, well. Jeepers. That's alright, I'll get it in there. I was saying nice things about them, but... Anyways, they do feel really, really good. like really good. So let me get them in here, and then I'll show you. Okay, so that is it. It does look good. Now I don't have the rest of the controller. She only brought me the board and the joysticks, but it is in there. Everything seems good. The only thing I'm worried about is where she nicked right here. That connector is a little, you can see, well, compared to, right? You can tell. But yeah, I mean, these feel great. Let me back you out here a little bit. These feel great. Now I'm not going to put the rubbers on or anything. I'll let her do that. But yeah, these feel terrific. So I guess I'm just going to name this one what? Troubles of removing the PS5 joysticks. These are not for the, for the lighthearted. These can get quite difficult, especially if you're new to it, which she is. This is her first time even trying to solder or desolder anything. So, I expect that kind of stuff. It's nothing against her. It's just this can be tough, especially when you're dealing with, solder that's not leaded, and you don't have the best equipment. That happens, but it does look okay. I'm really surprised that when she burned this up here, I'm surprised these traces didn't lift. That is, she got lucky. She's got another one too that she wants done. But yeah, wow, these feel great. Feel really good, actually. Maybe, I know I got a brand new controller for mine because you've seen in the other video, the other one that looked like it was put in a bath. It was corroded. But maybe I should think about trying these. I'll get her opinion on them when she tries them out. But yeah, so I'll end it there. And I got a lot of stuff coming up here soon. So yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.